Hello, year one and year two, and it is Thursday and it is our phase assembly. So you've got me again, and today I have been asked to talk to you about a very special day, and it is World Religion Day. Okay, now you've been having religious education lessons since you came to Greenwich, and religious education teaches us about lots of the major world religions. Just pause for a second and think, how many religions do you know? I'll give you a clue. You might know a religion that reads the Holy Bible and their symbol is a cross. That's Christianity. Do you know any other religions? Maybe you follow another religion. That's always really exciting when we have children from other faiths. Okay. Well done for having a little think about some of the religions that you can think of. I'm going to share with you a little presentation now all about World Religion Day. Okay. So I'm talking to you about World Religion Day, and like I've said, there are lots of religions all around the world. Now, some of you might not be religious, and that is totally okay. Some of you might be religious, and again, that is absolutely fine. It is absolutely up to you. But what we do need to do is we need to show respect for other religions and respect for other people. Whatever they believe, even if you think it's wrong, you still have to show respect. Okay, so we're going to be looking at some of the world religions today, and it is World Religion Day, which is celebrated on the third Sunday of January. So it's just gone past. So we'll start with a little quiz. How many of these countries can you name? Super tricky stuff. Hopefully you'll get a few of these flags. If not, you might have to ask some adults help as well, maybe quiz them as well, see how many they know. If you want to, you can pause the screen and have a guess. Okay, so we have got the UK, that's the United Kingdom, that's our country. Hopefully you got that one. We've got the United States of America, USA. Did you know the next one? Brazil, China, Kenya, Israel, Australia, India, Russia, and Japan. Now you might be thinking, why on earth is Mr. K sharing lots of different flags? Now, just like each country has a flag, okay, there are lots and lots of different religions around the world. Okay, now let's play that again. See if you can name any of these religions. And I've put some of the key symbols associated with that religion. You should get maybe the first two, and then it might get a bit confusing from there. Again, you can always ask for some adult help, and don't panic, I'll go through the answers in just a moment. Okay, so the first one is a cross. That's associated with Christianity. So you might be a Christian. Okay, the next one is a star, and that is a Jewish symbol. So it's Judaism. You've got Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Islam. Okay, and those are all different religions that we have in our country, but also all around the world. And there are more. Okay, I couldn't fit all of them on. There are so many because so many different people believe different things. Okay, so just like the flags, like I was saying, countries can share similar designs and colors. Countries also share many religions. So in our country, there are lots of different people who practice and celebrate different faiths. Okay, remember, we are a multicultural society. That means we have people from all different walks of life, from all different countries, and from all different religions. And that is what is truly fantastic about our country. Okay, so a little bit more about World Religion Day. So what it means is it's kind of there to promote interfaith understanding and harmony. So what that means is they want everyone to get along. That is the main aim. Whatever religion you are from, we can still help each other, we can still support each other, we can still be friends with everyone. Okay, and it's to unite everyone, whatever their faith. It doesn't matter if your friend at school is a Hindu. That's absolutely fine. You can be friends with whoever you like. Okay, that's what this is all about, whatever their faith, uniting people. So it began in the United States in 1950, but it's now celebrated worldwide. Okay. And events are held all around the world. Now, it might look a little bit different this year because of the coronavirus, but they are there to acknowledge the similarities that different faiths have. Now, lots of faiths believe in God, or they might believe in multiple gods. Okay. There are special services that are around the world celebrating the similarities. Lots of the world religions are all about harmony, all about peace, all about looking after each other. And that's really, really lovely. Even if you don't believe in God or you don't believe in a religion, we should all look out for each other. And what they're doing is they're trying to show how we can work together to create a better world. So let's have a look at this then. So this is about similarities that religions might share. Can you think of any similarities that religions might have? So like I said before, some of the teachings might be very similar. So there's a lot about love in all of the religions. So Christianity, in everything, do to others as you would have them do to you. So it's all about treating people how you want to be treated. And I think that's a really nice message, whether you're a Christian or not. Sikhism, I am a stranger to no one, and no one is a stranger to me. I'm a friend to all. And again, that is so lovely to think at school that everyone could be your friend. Hinduism, this is the sum of duty. Do not do to others what would cause pain if done to you. So again, it's all about thinking about other people, how they're feeling. And those are some really lovely messages. Again, in Judaism, what is hateful for you, do not do to your neighbor. Now, your neighbor, that doesn't mean your next door neighbor. It means your friend, the person that you work with at school. Your neighbor is your fellow human being. Buddhism says, treat not others in ways that you would find hurtful. Again, it's all about not hurting people, showing people respect. And Islam, not one of you truly believes until you wish for others what you wish for yourself. Again, thinking of others. So we'll have a quiet moment now of reflection. Okay, we usually have these in our assemblies, our phase assemblies together. We reflect at the end. So think about a religion that you maybe follow. You might not follow a religion at all. Remember, I said that's absolutely fine. What does your religion teach you about the world? If you do follow a religion, and lots of religions have special messages. Here is a message for today. Do to others what you would wish for. So it's all about treating each other with respect. Think about what you could do to show this today. Maybe you could show the people at home that you care for them, the people that are looking after you, the people that are providing homeschooling for you. Do to others what you would wish for. So that means make them feel good, and it might make you feel good. I hope you enjoyed our phase assembly about World Religion Day. We cover lots of important topics in these phase assemblies, and I can't wait to share with you next week's. Have a lovely day, year one and year two.